Hello everyone and welcome to this video. It's time for another hunting video. Well, this thing I received as a gift. Let's begin. This is what I received as a gift, the HDD portable digital audio player. So technically it's an MP3 player with a hard drive inside, a 40 gig hard drive. And well, I don't have a charger for it, but I'll disassemble it in one video to see what's inside and maybe see what we can do about the charger. Maybe I can charge the battery separately and put it back, or I can use the hard drive as an external hard drive, who knows. Then I have here a nice body shell, a used one, also as a gift from that awesome gentleman, for the Nokia 6300. It's in very good condition. The screen has a bit a small crack here. Not a problem, it's not that bad. The back part, the buttons, which is usually a problem to find. And look at this, a Mercedes logo for the back here, which I am going to mount on a phone. Well, I got 3 of them, the buttons as well, everything that's body shell related to the phone. Then he gave me here a Motorola, I think, yeah. It's the one that slides like this, the V70. It's in pieces, but maybe I can start this thing, who knows. It also has it, maybe I had display problems since it has it there in the box. I'm very curious about this one. And another bag of parts, well, phones, Nokia ones. The body shell is in very good condition on all of them. Ooh, feeling fancy. If you're watching this video, thank you very much for them. I know what I'm going to do in some video. I'm going to open all of them and check them out. Then some awesome stuff. Ta-da! A Nokia Advanced headphones, the HS62. Brand new in the box. Never been tampered with. And of course that I'm not going to open it, I'm going to keep it like this. But lucky enough, I bought 2 of them. Both brand new, never opened. One of them I'm going to keep in my collection unopened, and one of them I'm going to open and give it as a gift to my little brother. Well, little, he's 16, but you get the idea. Because he needs some headphones, and I knew that Nokia made good headphones, so I'm going to do a unboxing video of this in the next video. Now here comes the really fun stuff. Ta-da! Can you guess the phone? Well, I think you already read it. Not new, but in very good condition. I love these things. What is this? It's glued here. Are you kidding me? This thing was never opened? That's when they, or was it? I don't know, I'm not gonna force it. Okay. The manual. A Nokia club card. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh, awesome, a lot of awesome accessories. So this is how a club card looked back then. Nice. Very nice. Here we have the classic charger and the battery, which he told me that the battery it's completely damaged, nothing good of it. But who knows? Since he told me that, I'm not going to open it. Here's the phone, and nothing else in the box. Look at its condition. Dude, it's like new. Whoever used this, my hat's off to you. Oh, that awesome feeling. And I'm guessing it has to be locked, but we'll see. I don't know what SIM card to use. I think it's this one. Let's try an orange. To me the battery is dead, so I will just use mine. I hope mine is not dead. Is it? Nope, it's not. Okay, it works. Awesome. Awesome. Does it show the life timer? 88 talk hours and 38 minutes. Nice. And I can get out of here. Unless I turn it off. Yo, the phone doesn't even have scratches on the screen, dude. Dude. Lucky. Lucky as... Well, you get the idea. Very, very lucky. This phone is going in the box and near... Put it back. Well, just two fine scratches here. I'm guessing it was holding a holder or something. But that's not an issue. Not an issue at all. God bless. Where's that battery? Yeah. Well, that's it for today, is what I would have normally said, unless I had this. Nokia 6170. A more modern phone. Well, more modern than the 3210, that is. It doesn't have the manual, that shouldn't be a problem. The charger, which is good. The battery, which I'm not gonna try out because I have one of my own. Ooh, headphones. It has the headphones. Not used, like new. Yeah, boy. The phone just has a slight scratch here, and it's impossible not to scratch it on the back because, you know, mostly stays like this. But this part is not scratched. This is a good thing. Well, it's a start of scratch, but not bad. It's very good. Did I forgot to take the SIM card. I'm a genius. Okay, let's try that again now. Yep. Made in Finland, baby. Good stuff. I have this battery from, I think this is the correct battery for it, yeah. From the phone that I custom painted. I can see my flat face. My God, look at the condition of it. Ah, bliss. Oh, animated wallpaper. Boy. "21 minutes. Was this a test phone? 21 minutes only? Really? Hey, camera working. The back screen as well. Oh my God, beautiful. Definitely putting this back in the box. Put this SIM card in my little SIM card collection. Definitely putting it back in the box. Oh, that sound. Now that's it for today's video, for real now. Thank you very much for watching. What are your thoughts about this lucky find? If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you all the best and a very awesome day just like yourselves. Bye bye.